To withdraw money from a Bmo Atm, start by locating a nearby Bmo Atm. You can use the Bmo website or mobile app to find the closest location. Once you have found an ATM, insert your Bmo debit or credit card into the card reader. Enter your personal identification number, also known as your PIN, when prompted. This is a security measure to ensure that only you can access your account. If you have forgotten your PIN, you can contact Bmo customer service to reset it. After entering your PIN, select the withdrawal option from the menu. Choose the account you want to withdraw from, such as your checking or savings account. Then, enter the amount you want to withdraw. Make sure to check your account balance before making a withdrawal to avoid overdraft fees. Review your transaction details to ensure everything is correct. If you need to make any changes, you can go back to the previous screen. Once you confirm the transaction, the ATM will dispense the cash. Take your card and cash, and make sure to keep your receipt for your records. It is also important to note that Bmo ATMs may have daily withdrawal limits, so be sure to check your account agreement for more information. Additionally, be aware of any fees associated with using an ATM, such as foreign transaction fees or out-of-network fees. To avoid any issues, always keep your card and PIN secure, and never share them with anyone. Also, regularly check your account activity to detect any suspicious transactions. By following these steps and best practices, you can safely and easily withdraw money from a Bmo ATM.